When it comes to heavy-duty engines, every component counts, but few parts are as critical as the fuel injection pump. This is the original fuel injection pump designed for Perkins CAT7.1 engines and CAT320D2 excavators, also fully compatible with Delphi DP310 models, including 9521A030H, 9521A031H, D413368, 3,981,498, and 398-1498. On the surface, it might not seem as exciting as the latest tech gadget, but for anyone relying on large machinery, this part is the difference between smooth operation and costly downtime. A fuel injection pump is more than just a piece of hardware, it's the core system that keeps an engine running efficiently. Its primary role is to deliver fuel to the cylinders at precise timing and pressure, ensuring that combustion happens in a controlled and efficient manner. Proper fuel delivery directly affects engine power, efficiency, and longevity. If the pump underperforms, the engine struggles, power drops, fuel consumption rises, and emissions increase. That's why an original compatible pump designed to match factory specifications is so essential. One of the standout aspects of this fuel injection pump is its compatibility. It's engineered specifically for Perkins CAT7.1 and CAT320D2 engines, meaning it aligns perfectly with the system's mechanical and electronic requirements. These engines are designed for rugged environments, enduring high temperatures, constant vibrations, and long operating hours. Using a pump that's built to the exact specifications ensures optimal performance and prevents unnecessary strain on the engine. Durability is a key factor as well. This pump is built to handle extreme pressure, heavy workload, and continuous operation without warping, cracking, or losing performance. In practical terms, that means fewer unexpected failures, less downtime, and lower maintenance costs. For anyone relying on equipment in construction, agriculture, or industrial applications, durability isn't just a convenience, it's critical. Performance improvements from a high-quality injection pump are significant. Proper timing and precise fuel delivery contribute to smooth startups, consistent engine output, lower fuel consumption, and reduced harmful emissions. These are crucial not just for operational efficiency, but also for regulatory compliance in areas where emissions are monitored. Poor fuel delivery can lead to black smoke, inefficient combustion, and even engine damage over time. Installing a pump that meets OEM specifications keeps the engine clean and efficient. Replacing a fuel injection pump requires care. While it's technically possible for experienced users to install it themselves, professional installation ensures proper calibration, timing, and integration with the engine's electronic systems. Since this pump is designed to fit these engines precisely, installation is straightforward for professionals. Once installed, it requires minimal maintenance. Regular fuel checks and clean filters are usually enough to keep it running optimally. The bigger picture is operational reliability. Machines like the CAT320D2 are used in demanding environments where every hour counts. Downtime caused by a failing pump can result in lost productivity, delayed projects, and financial losses. Investing in a high-quality, compatible fuel injection pump reduces the likelihood of these interruptions. It's not just a replacement part, it's a safeguard for your operations. The pump also plays a significant role in protecting engine health. Incomplete or improper combustion due to a subpar pump can stress other components like pistons, injectors, and cylinder heads. Over time, that leads to costly repairs or even complete engine failure. A properly engineered pump ensures that fuel delivery is consistent, efficient, and safe, ultimately prolonging the engine's life. Comparing it to consumer tech is actually useful here. Just as you wouldn't compromise on a smartphone processor or a high-end graphics card, you shouldn't compromise on the fuel injection system in heavy machinery. It's the component that defines overall performance. The original fuel injection pump compatible with Perkins CAT7.1 and CAT320D2 engines is essentially the flagship component